How to reduce data usage in Windows 10 and Windows 11. As we know, Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 has a lot of features that are designed to use data, such as automatic updates, automatic apps updates, syncing, and so more. If you are not an unlimited data plan, the bill can be extremely high. So we found ways to limit excess uses. And here in this video, we will bring you to how to reduce, how to minimize your data uses in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And to reduce data uses in Windows 10 and Windows 11, the first workaround is set a metered connections. Go to settings, network and internet, select your data connection properties, and here you will find the option metered connection. Turn the toggle button on to set a metered connection. It will reduce your data uses. Some apps might work differently to reduce data uses. Again, go to Windows Update and pause Windows Update for 1 week. Automatic Windows updates may consume a lot of data in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So pause update for 1 week or more as per your choice. Also go to a store, and Microsoft Store apps on also automatically update. So go to Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon, and choose settings. Here app updates, turn the toggle button off, update apps automatically. It will also reduce your data plan. The next workaround to fix this issue is again launch Windows settings, go to apps, installed apps, and click on three horizontal dot from any app, choose advanced options, and first background app permission, set it as never. Now your apps will not runs in background and consume data. Also disable the runs at login. If you log in and your apps is running, it will consume data. So these tricks will be applied for all these such apps which you will not use. Again, go to settings, go to apps, go to advanced app settings, scroll down, archive apps. To save storage space and internet bandwidth, apps you don't use frequently will be archived automatically. Turn this feature on. Again, go to accounts. Here choose Windows Backup, choose remember my apps and remember my preferences. Turn the toggle button off, disable both the feature remember my apps as well as remember my preferences under Windows Backup. It will again go to Windows Update, advanced options, and go to delivery optimization. Here allow download from other PCs. Turn the toggle button off of this feature also. It will also reduce your data uses in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thereafter again go to network and internet. Here go to data uses and set a data uses limit. Choose internet limit and choose a data limit as MB or GB. Set a data limit. It will also reduce your data uses on Windows 10 and Windows 11. That's all.